Hello, class. Today we are going to learn about asking questions before, during, and after the reading. This is one of our metacognition strategies, reading strategies that we have learned in the beginning of the school year, and we are just doing a review. So, good readers ask all the time good questions while they are reading, at the beginning of the book, during their reading, and at the end of the book. There is a difference, though, in the type of questions that we ask. Sometimes we can ask thin questions, and a thin question is a question whose answer is right there on the book. It's a literal answer. So when you ask a thin question, you are asking for when, where, who, how many. Those are very basic type of questions. However, when you ask a thick question, you need to search and you need to go deeper in your reading to find the answer for that question. For example, what if, how did, what would happen if, how would you feel if, or what do you think? Okay, so these are the type of questions that are called thick questions. You have to think and search to find the answer. Maybe you have to do a little bit of inferring as well to be able to find the answer for your question. So the goal for us is to ask thick questions before, during, and after the reading every day when you read your books at home, when you're reading online. So I challenge you always to ask thick questions. See you later.